Most awesome gadget is this Wi-Fi digital microscope with 1000 time magnification. Beside the microscope holder and charging cable, the microscope will have built-in rechargeable battery that makes this gadget portable and very practical. On top of the microscope there is micro USB port for charging and interface with computer. On sides there is power button and regulator for adjusting the LEDs, and this big roller is for focus. To mention that with this gadget you can capture images or record videos in 1080p resolution. In instruction manual you will find barcode for the loading the app. Install, and only you need to do is to connect the microscope with your phone. Both iOS and Android operating system are supported. Link in description for this amazing gadget. In next minute or so you're gonna watch some close-ups that I made. Case 6 headphones got this specification. Speakers are 32 ohms, sensitivity is 108 decibels, frequency range is between 20 Hz and 20 kHz, and the microphone diameter is 6 mm. First to know, Onikuma Case 6 headset is compatible with various gaming devices, such as Nintendo Switch, Windows PC, Mac operating system, iOS and Android devices, PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. The headphones feature is a removable cable. If you're using PC, you can use the cable that splits at end to connect to both your mic and headphones outputs. If you are playing on PlayStation 4 or connecting to a phone, you can use the other optional cable, which is 4-pin 3.5mm headphone and mic jack. By the way, the length of the cable is 2.2 meters, and on controller you have on-off switch for microphone and nice adjusting volume control. The microphone is omnidirectional, adjustable and super flexible to pick up your voice. The boom arm can raise it up and down to find a custom mic placement to achieve the best sound. This is microphone test 1 2, test 1 2. It sounds cool. The pads on the Onikuma Case 6 are nice and very soft. The side of the cups that make the contact with your ears have a nice material to add a pleasant softness. The cups are designed to resist being pulled away from clamping position. They fit nice and secure. The comfort of the headset is amazing. Also, the ear cups are used up and down to fit any head size. Color LED lights add super stylish touch, which is needed on a gaming headset. The Onikuma Case 6 have 50mm drivers that push out high-end sound quality. They are perfect gaming headset that plugs in and just works. The best part about this headset is that it's not trying to be complicated. You just have to unbox the headphones, choose your wire and plug it in. It's a cute little drone with bunch of extensions and functions and open source software. In package there is 720p extension camera that you can add to the drone very easily and record videos and capture images on micro SD card. Also, in package you will get these wheels so you can make your drone hybrid to drive like a robot. By adding range sensor to the drone and program it, you can play ping pong and drone will be the ball. Cool stuff. With Pluto X you can create 10 drone projects that are available on their website, like Flip Out, Hello Hybrid, Object Track and many more. The battery of the drone is 450 mAh, that means from 10 to 15 minutes of flying time. Spare blades and DC motors are included so you can easily replace them on Pluto X drone and bunch of stickers. To fly the drone you will need to download the app, install and connect with the Pluto X. In drone settings you can adjust and calibrate lot of functions, also you can test the motors and see in real-time graphics of sensors. My drone is connected and ready to fly. By the way, don't worry if you crash this thing, you can easily replace the motors and add new blades. Now let's fly outside and get some fun. My final thoughts about Pluto X drone kit are that this is super cool gadget for those who want to experiment and make projects, just like this one, which is open source, programmable and came with couple of extensions.
These are all parts included in the kit. Also you get the circuit diagram for making the line follower robot, printed circuit board with nice quality, 2 DC motors, gears, screws, battery holder, integrated chip, socket for the integrated chip, transistors, LEDs, photoresistors, capacitors, resistors. On printed circuit board, all parts are marked, so you can't make a mistake. Let's start assembling. The line follower robot is finished, and here it is driving and controlled by black line. I really enjoy it while building, and this is super learning kit.